colons are actually pretty simple to use once you learn and remember some really basic rules. So let's go through some examples as we talk about these rules. A colon is used after a complete sentence to introduce a word, a phrase, a clause, a list, or a quotation. What a colon does is it indicates that whatever follows it proves or explains the sentence before the colon. So let's look at this sentence. After a night spent tossing and turning, I made my decision. I decided to wait to apply to grad school until after I had some work experience. So we see there's a colon here, and what comes before the colon, after a night spent tossing and turning, I finally made my decision. This is a complete sentence. And we'll see that what follows this colon is an explanation or some further information about the sentence before the colon. After a night spent tossing and turning, I finally made my decision. Well, what was my decision? My decision was that I decided to wait to apply to grad school until after I had some work experience. Here's another example. You'll need to bring the following items with you the day of the test: a number 2 pencil, an eraser, snacks, a bottle of water, and a sweater. So the first part before the colon is a complete sentence, and what follows the colon is an example or further information about whatever items we were talking about in the first part of the sentence. And here's another example of a way you can use colons. Colons are often used at the end of a salutation in a business or professional letter. So in this example, Dear Mr. Peterson, colon, and then the rest of the letter follows. Alright, here's an example of the colon being used incorrectly. Pause the video, read the sentence to yourself, and see if you can explain why or how this colon is used incorrectly. Alright, our sentence reads, students choose GSU for its urban environment, its diverse student body, and its rigorous academic reputation. The reason the colon is incorrect, or the reason it's used incorrectly, is because what comes before the colon actually is not a complete sentence. It's a fragment. So how would we fix that? It's really pretty simple. If we just add a few extra words. Students choose GSU for the following reasons. Colon. Its urban environment, its diverse student body, and its rigorous academic reputation.